Hi there, it's Marcy with your video. I spoke with Liz today. I don't know if Liz is going to be the one to watch it, but what I'm going to do for whoever watches this is give you 3 pointers that you can do to help make you more visible online. Google's first page here. Typically people, if they find you on the they'll start clicking on the first page, and then they, if they don't need to go any further, then, find what they want. They usually don't go any further. So you want to get yourself onto the first page. Google lays out their first page always the same way. They've got anybody that's doing paid ads listed up at the top here. This section here is the Maps listing or Google My Business listing. One of these 3 spots is a fabulous place to be. And then down here, this is called what we call the organic listing. So these businesses have got themselves here predominantly due to the 3 things that I'm going to go over with you today. And what they're going to be is content, backlinks, and citations. So I take a look at your site, the home page. Google likes to see probably about 1,000 to 1,500 words on the home page. My guess is you got maybe 250, 200, 250. You've got all these service locations, so there's lots of opportunities to put right content around this. I'm going to show you what you're showing up for, what Google's finding you for as far as words, keywords. So you do have a lot of opportunities to improve how you're being found with that. As I said, I put the top one that was ranking organically in so that I can use that as a comparison, kind of show you the behind the scenes. Here, this is the backlink profile. You can kind of think, just to put backlinks in the simplest terms, think of the internet as a popularity contest. So, when another website links back to yours, aka a vote in the popularity contest, that's how Google sees it, right? These people here with their backlink profile, it's brought them 436 traffic, so 436 visitors to their website last month. And if they were running paid ads, that would have been the equivalent of this value. They're being found for quite a few words. With your site there, we can put it in. You've got 17 referring domains giving you 97 backlinks. You're being found for 21 words. That's where the content would really kick in and help you out there as far as your rankings. 17 visitors through your site with the value of 118. So I click the keyword, and you can see you're showing up #1 position here for the commercial vent cleaning, but with all your locations, you want to be showing up with, commercial vent cleaning Richmond, commercial vent cleaning Squamish, and you can do that with content so that when somebody types that in, you're the one that's going to be coming up. Now, the third thing, as I said, citations. These 3 spots, they definitely will fall in line with the top organic ranking sites, but another contributing factor that's pretty powerful is citations. This itself is a citation. A citation is a place where you would find on the internet your exact business name, address, and phone number. So I did a search in the local citation finder, and you'll see that 9 times out of 10, this is what's going to happen if we look to see what the top 3 were: modern, executive, and unique. I find them, they'll usually list about the top 8 or 10. They're pretty much always, they're going to show up in there. We've got the executive, the modern, and unique's got a few spots. So with the things that I'm sharing with you today, it's not rocket science what it is that we do. What we do is go in and reverse engineer what the competitors, what the top guy is doing, and then you do what he's doing and more. You do it better and you do more. So I hope you found the information useful on how this all works, and if you have any questions, please reach back out. My information will be on the email. And thanks for taking the time to watch the video.